Welcome to Protect Electric. Today we'll be installing outlet with an old work box. It's a finished closet, and we'll be installing outlet, regular receptacle with an old work box and a plate. I already ran cable Romex in the crawl space, and today I'll be pretty much working underneath the shelf, so bear with me and we're gonna do this together.
Alright, first thing we gotta do, we gotta trace this box. We gotta flip the box backwards like this. We can see that the studs, they're located, one right here and the other one all the way in the corner. There is a 16-inch span. I already checked for studs. There is no studs in between, so we're gonna just trace the box. This is uncomfortable. I'm pretty much laying on the floor under the shelf, and we're just gonna trace it. And just run a line all the way across. And now we're gonna use a key saw, just like this, and we're gonna cut the drywall. Be careful, as the wires behind the drywall, so you don't want to cut the drywall. You don't want to cut the cable. And the wire is right behind. Alright, we got our cable. Now we gotta install this old work box, single gang box for the switch. We gotta open this knockout just a bit. Don't bend it too much, as this knockout, it's supposed to squeeze the wire and hold it in place inside of the box. Just like that. And this box, it has a little wings right here. When we're gonna stick the box inside of the drywall, we're gonna run the screw clockwise, and when we're gonna run it, it's gonna open these wings, and the wings gonna lock the box between the drywall. Boom. And now let's secure the box. It's not comfortable to be under here. Alright, let's take this jacket off. This wire is way too long. Don't cut the insulation too deep. You want to just notch it. And then hold the back of the tongue. Pull the insulation off. This is the hot black wire, the white is the neutral, and the bare copper is the ground wire. On the ground wire, we're gonna make a little loop to go around the ground screw. This is the outlet we're gonna use. The one side of the outlet, it has the two gold screws, brass screws. They're the hot side. Hot side, the prom, the slot is a small slot. The neutral is on the other side. It's a larger slot, larger opening, and the neutral side has a different color screws, silver looking ones, and the ground is always green. It's connected to the base, to the frame. We're not gonna use the back side. You can terminate these wires either on the screws, or you can stab them inside of these small holes right next to the screws. So that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna use the terminals. So terminals, we're just gonna screw them in. So the ground wire goes on ground screw, green screw, with the loop, and then we close the loop of our strippers. And just tighten the screw. Just like that. The white wire is our neutral. It goes on silver screws. The back, just stab it. Once you stab it, it locks, so it won't come out. Same thing with the black wire. It goes to the gold screws. We just stab it, and it gets locked. It's not coming out. Now we just gotta push the wires. In the box, make sure the ground wire, the bare wire, is not touching the hot side of the receptacle or the neutral. We want the ground screw all the way in the back. All we have left is the plate. Can't even see if it's straight or not. I gotta look. If not, we're gonna have to push one side of the receptacle cover like this. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty straight. Alright. Looks good. And this is how you install an outlet in your finished room. It was Pro Tech Electric. Come back for more videos.